Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna custom Nike Air Force Ones. No, today we're not gonna custom Nike Air Force One. We're gonna custom Onitsuka Tiger. Yeah, so today we're gonna custom this pair of Onitsuka Tiger, and this is not the first video of Onitsuka Tiger I have custom. I've already custom one of the pairs like this. You can check out the video. What we're gonna do in this pair of custom sneaker is we're gonna color the stripes, which is the main symbol of this particular brand. We're gonna go with the multicolors like red, yellow, orange, green, purple, blue, magenta, and all this type of colors. We're gonna color all the four sides of this particular shoes. Well, this is one of the coolest brand in sneaker industries, preferred by many celebrities like Tiger Shroff, Akshay Kumar, Kartik Aaryan, and many more. Also, you can check out more than 150 custom sneakers on my Instagram, that's merchant.custom, and if you want to order any of those pairs, you can order through my website, that's merchantcustoms.in. So without wasting more time, let's start customizing Onitsuka Tiger. So here I am done with this beautiful pair of custom Onitsuka Tiger. I went with the combination of purple, royal blue, sky blue, leaf green on one shoe, and on another one I went for orange, red, pink and yellow. They are looking super cool, you can see from both the sides. Wow! And you can check out the clarity and the finish of the artwork. This is looking superb. And if you want to order any this kind of pairs, you can order through my website, that's merchantcustoms.in. And if you want to check out more of this kind of collection of custom sneaker, you can check them out on my Instagram, that's merchant.custom. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with another pair of custom sneakers soon, but you guys don't go away because photo shoot of this particular pair of Onitsuka Tiger is about to begin.